Hey my friends, this is Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete search history on your Google Chrome. So first of all, I'm going on a Gmail. Then you can see here the lots of options. Just I need to go on this three menu icon. Then again click on. You can see here the search history. If you are go here, just click on this one. Wow, you can see here are lots of things I charge today. So if I want to delete this one, just click on here, then each by each you are able to delete here. But I have others way you can delete on click and lots of data. So just go to delete browsing data, then select how many time you want to delete right now. So I want to delete last 7 days, then browsing history, cookies and other site, then cache images. So I want to delete everything here. Just click on delete it. So you need to just 4 or 5 seconds for whole processing. Okay, it's already done. So now we have no search history right now. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.